At Compton Unified School District, innovation is at the heart of our educational process, and we're shaping the future one scholar at a time. Our award-winning Department of Innovation and Technology has laid the educational groundwork across all Compton Unified schools, and our scholars are better equipped for the jobs in the 21st century. From pre-K to 12th grade, 90% of our students actively participate in STEM programs, preparing them to excel in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and math. Through key partnerships with Verizon, Boeing, RTX, Apple, Lego, and Lenovo, our students explore real-world challenges in engineering, robotics, and digital innovation. Compton Unified now has 7 state-of-the-art Verizon Innovative Learning Labs, 12 Verizon Innovative Learning Schools, and 25 schools with amazing STEAM labs. These labs provide our scholars with incredible access to world-class resources to bring their innovative ideas to life. Our programs extend beyond the classroom to the exciting and fun-filled Engineering Week and our annual Computer Science Expo, while events like STEAMFest, attended by nearly 7,000 people, celebrate our students' talent and creativity. Compton Unified has the highest test scores among similar districts in California. We have a 93% graduation rate, 88% college acceptance rate, and 51% of our graduates now go on to pursue careers in STEM fields. At Compton Unified, we don't just prepare students for the future. We give them tools to shape a future they envision and desire.